Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you a full logo design project, from start to finish. Please leave a feedback if you like this video, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in comments the most important information you find in tutorial, or if you will have some questions feel free to ask. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. Click on the bell, because we will post a video every second day. And have a nice watching. So select the rectangle tool and put the dimension 340 points and 440 points. After copy the rectangle, Ctrl+C and paste in the same place, Ctrl+F. Now we will change dimension for second rectangle, but first make sure this chain is pressed. Put dimension 220 points and press enter. After press I to swap to eyedropper tool and fill to white color. Now we will change stroke color to black. After go to line segment and draw line vertical and horizontal. Next thing is to draw a line like that. And now we select both rectangles, and go to Pathfinder and subtract it. After copy this 3-line, Ctrl+C and paste in the same place, Ctrl+F, and move to the left. 10 points use for that arrow key. After go to line segment and connect lines. Last thing in center. Now we need to select all objects and go to Shape Builder and make which shape we need. Take your time, make it properly. After we need to select final shape. Move aside. And delete rest of the part. Now move back, and prepare to put color. We will select first 3 part. Press I to swap to eyedropper tool and fill to color. After swap again press V to selection tool. Select another 3 part. Press I and select color. Now last thing we need to put correct gradient, press G, select gradient, and put color. If you OK, select next part. Press 5 to selection tool. Select part. And after press G to gradient, and put color. Next part the same move, try to use shortcut, it make your life easy, and save a lot of time. I will try to repeat only shortcut because it is easy to remember for you. All color is ready and logo as well, so now we have a professional logo just in around 5 minutes. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you have some questions feel free to ask in comments or email, as well leave a feedback if you like this type of video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you didn't yet. See you in next video, which will be in a day. Take care.